Hi everybody, my name is Claire. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is going to be a giveaway video to mark me reaching 10,000 subscribers. It's bonkers, it is absolutely bonkers, but I'm so grateful for all of you that have already subscribed, all of you that have ever watched any of my videos, and if you're new, if this is the first time you're watching me. I reached 10,000 subscribers around the 20th of February, something like that. I've been on YouTube for 2 years. And it's just blown my mind. It's completely blown my mind. It's a little hobby for me. I'm a stay-at-home mum until my children are a lot older. I've got a background in hair and makeup, but obviously I'm 42. I'm going to be 43 this year, so I did all my training and stuff years ago. So things have changed, so I love when you give me tips and advice and things like that, because I want it to be a two-way thing. I want, you know, I want to give you some information, but I want information of you as well. So no, I really appreciate that. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my channel so far, if you've been subscribed for a while, but if not, if you're new, I hope you continue to enjoy what I put out. So yeah, so back to the giveaway then. This is going to be an international giveaway. I've got 3 prizes, but one of them is just for UK only, and I'll show you that first. And the reason being is that it is super heavy and it contains nail polish, so it's just easier if I say the other 2 prizes are international, but this one is just for the UK. I was kindly contacted by the owner of Ard As Nails. They do cruelty-free and vegan nail polishes, and they also do a skincare range called Soap Dodger as well. So I was messaged a couple of weeks ago congratulating me on reaching 10k subscribers, and I was offered some beauty products to give towards a giveaway, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. But these products are lovely. I've bought a whole set of Ard As Nails nail polishes in the past. They do amazing metallic and shimmery shades that, yeah, and are really lovely. I'm going through a phase of not wearing polish that much because one hand is nice, the other isn't, which you're not going to see that in detail. My nails just break. But anyway, back to the prize. So we've got some Soap Dodger skincare products, and this is weird. It is, it's bubbling salts. This is what it looks like. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is a UK brand. They sell all their skincare products worldwide. On their website, they do have a list of different countries and the postage and packaging, but they don't ship their polishes because of the shipping laws and stuff like that. If you're interested to learn more about Ard As Nails or Soap Dodger, I will link their websites down below in the description. But yeah, bubbling salts. I want to put my finger in it. I'm dying to, but I can't, because obviously whoever wins this is not going to want my finger in there. Smells gorgeous. It looks like foam. So bubbling salts. So that's the first item. Then we've got a oil-rich body scrub. And these are all massive large tubs. They don't say on them what size they are, but I'm assuming they're like probably 250 to 300 ml maybe. This looks gorgeous as well. Why is it that I just want to shove my fingers in everything? And smell. Oh, that's just so lovely. Don't know the smells. I'm useless at describing smells. It's very sweet, but no, it's nice. Next, we've got a foaming hand scrub. So you've got a pot there. I'll open it up and show you now. And it says foaming hand scrub, and it's got here blackberry and amber wood. Again, I'm dying to put my fingers in it. Oh my gosh. But I can't. See, it looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? Yeah, foaming hand scrub. Now that sounds really cool. Next then we've got Hand Love, which is a luxurious rich cream for the hands. And that's what that looks like there. Does it say, oh, it's got on the back here coconut. Oh, it's nice. If you like coconut. So there's those. I want to give you the option of winning one of 3 prizes. So when you comment down below, I want you to say, I would like to win 1, 2 and 3, or just I'd like to win just 1, or I'd like to win just 1 and 2, etc. So this is going to be classed as number 1 bundle, but alongside these beautiful skincare products as well, we've got some nail polishes. So we've got this really cool shade. This is Ard As Nails Handmade Lacquer, and this is hand poured 10 free polish. Now it says the reason they call them 10 free is because they don't have 10 of the main nasty ingredients that you would normally find. Now there's a big list of them, but I won't go into detail because I'm not going to be able to pronounce all the words. But if you want to know more, as I said, it'll be in the link in the description. So that's that in there. That is beautiful. Really pretty colour. So this is from the Cream collection, and this is in Catherine. So that's the first polish. This is absolutely beautiful. Now she did say to me that I'm welcome to keep a few things for myself, but I haven't. But oh, it was touch and go with this because it's just me. It is purple and blue and glittery. It is beautiful. It's called Irish Sea. Can you see there? I'm not sure how much you'd be able to see with a light. It is stunning. So this cost £8, but this is a charity polish. So Ard As Nails choose a charity and they donate part of the proceedings. For every person that buys this, £4 will go to Breast Cancer Ireland, which I think is amazing. It's gorgeous. It just says Irish Sea and it's the charity polish for the month. So that is all bundle number 1 and UK only. The next one is international and is Makeup Revolution Lip Vault. So to buy this, it will cost you £60, and inside you've got lip kits. You've got 4 metallic lip liners and metallic lipsticks. You've got 2 gloss liners and 2 gloss liquid lipsticks, and then you've got 4 matte lip liners and 4 matte liquid lipsticks. So this is double rows. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we pull this out, as you can see, they're all underneath as well. So 10 of them in all. So I bought this a little while ago and I thought, do you know what? I really fancy it myself, but I think it would just make a really nice giveaway. So yeah, so that is number 2. And then lastly, which is number 3, and again international, it's the Asos Revolution Beauty Box. Now I've done a video on this. I absolutely love it. And it's, I'll show you now. These are the goodies. There is a lot in there. I'm currently using this serum and it is amazing. Really, really good. It's all Makeup Revolution products. So we've got a serum, we've got a lip kit, we've got a liquid highlighter, then we've got one of my favourite Makeup Revolution eye palettes, and it's the Flawless 4. And we've got a, what's this, Ultra Pro Glow, and this is a highlighter palette. So there's a load of things there. So that is number 3. So those are all the prizes. I hope you really like them. I'm going to be running this giveaway for a month, so I'll add the date down below. All the details to Ard As Nails and the soap dodger and this giveaway I will be writing down in the description. But the rules are that you must be 18 or over to enter. If not, you have to ask a parent or someone who has parental responsibility for consent. Also, you need to be subscribed to my channel. I need you to write down below what prize you'd like to win. You're welcome to put down all 3, that's if you're in the UK, or 2 if you're outside of the UK. It's up to you, but also I need to have some form of contacting you, so either a personal email address that you don't mind sharing, or like your Instagram or your Twitter name, so I can contact you that way. On the day the giveaway ends, I'll be picking someone at random, and then I'll be checking online to see if you are subscribed to my channel. Now a lot of you have your settings set as private, so I'm not able to see if you are actually subscribed or not. So unfortunately, if that happens, I'll have to go on to the next person. So on the day of the giveaway, make sure that your privacy settings are set so that it's public, so that we can see if you are subscribed. Also, like this post, hit the bell button if you want to see more of my videos. So any information that I've missed out, I will link down below. So good luck everyone. Thank you so much for your lovely support and just the lovely community feel I've got on my channel. I absolutely love it. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.